Hello students, let us start with the fourth topic of this chapter, and it is the last topic of our chapter number 7, coordinate in geometry. The name of the topic is area of a triangle. It means how we can find the area of triangle when the coordinates are given to us. In 9th standard, we had already studied the formula for area of a triangle. There are so many kinds of triangle: right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, simple triangle. Then there are the different formulas for all three. The formula for simple area of triangle is half into base into altitude. Right? In the same way, there is a specific formula for area of right angle triangle, that is half into product of its two sides forming right angle. Right? And the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, so now here today we are going to see the formula to find the area of triangle when its coordinates are given. Right? When the coordinates of triangles are given to us, it is like this. See here. Suppose this is a triangle. The coordinates of A will be suppose x1 y1, coordinates of B suppose x2 y2, coordinate of C suppose x3 y3. Now if the coordinates are given to us, then how we can find the area of triangle? That we have to see and learn in this topic. Then how to find area of this triangle? One formula is given to us. What is that formula? Let us see first of all, and you have to also by heart the formula. Area of triangle ABC. The name can be anyone. यहाँ पे जो name जो है वो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? PQR भी हो सकता है. Okay. ABC is equals to half modulus. This a single line, it means modulus. Okay, now first of all, what is the meaning of modulus? In lower standard it had already came. Any value is there inside the modulus. Suppose the value is positive, then the answer will be same only, positive. But suppose inside the modulus the value is negative, suppose it is -5, then the answer will be automatic +5. यहाँ पे माइनस है तो आंसर ऑटोमेटिक क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. और 2 है तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 2. पॉजिटिव will remain positive, but this negative will convert it into positive. This is the meaning of modulus. Okay. Now again let us see here area of triangle. Maybe it can be ABC, PQR, XYZ, half into inside modulus x1. It means the value of this coordinate x1, a का जो coordinate है और उसकी जो first value है वो x1 inside bracket y2 minus y3, right? This coordinate minus this coordinate, okay, plus compulsory plus x2 inside bracket y3 minus y1 bracket over compulsory plus x3 inside bracket y1 minus y2 bracket over and modulus also over. Now how to remember this formula? It is very easy. Consider the numbers 1, 2 and 3. You have to consider these three numbers, right? 1, 2 and 3. So the first number of x, यहाँ पे जो आपको फर्स्ट नंबर लेना है वो x का लेना है. फिर ब्रैकेट में 2 minus 3. ये जो 2 और 3 वाला जो है वो आपको कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट लेना है? y वाला. y2 minus y3. समझ में आता है? ओके. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू कंसीडर 2. बट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 शुड बी ऑफ x2. x2 की वैल्यू लेनी है, राइट? ओके. फिर ब्रैकेट में क्या करना है? 3 minus 1. You are not supposed to do 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 करोगे तो आंसर गलत आएगा. आगे ही जाना है. 2 के बाद क्या आएगा? 3. Then 3 minus 1. Okay. That जो माइनस वाला है वो आपको क्या लेना है, ये ब्रैकेट में लिखना है। ओके, कंपल्सरी प्लस 1 की बारी आ गई, 2 की बारी आ गई, अब किसकी बारी आएगी, 3। ओके, 3 से आप आगे चलो तो पहले आपको क्या दिखेगा, ये 1। सो 1 माइनस 2, अगेन दैट माइनस वाला जो है वो कहाँ पे आएगा, ब्रैकेट में, y1 माइनस y2। ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो है वो x वाला, ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है वो y वाला। सो अंडरस्टूड, फॉर्मूला कैसे लिखनी है, अगेन वन मोर टाइम, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC विदाउट लुकिंग हियर, हाफ इनटू, यहां पे देखना x1 ब्रैकेट में y2 माइनस y3 ब्रैकेट ओवर कंपल्सरी प्लस x2 inside bracket y3 minus y1 bracket over compulsory plus x3 inside bracket y1 minus y2 bracket over modulus also over. Understood? Very simple formula. Again I am repeating one more time. Area of triangle, when the coordinates are given to us, then we can find the area by the formula half modulus x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 inside bracket y1 minus y2 bracket also over and modulus also over. Understood? Now, based on this formula only, we are going to solve example 11, example 12 and example 13 of our NCERT textbook. Here you can see that the coordinates are written and it is asked to find the area of triangle. Coordinates मैंने लिख ली है, हर एक क्वेश्चन में, ये जो एग्जाम्पल 11 है, 12 है, 13 है, हर एक का क्वेश्चन क्या है, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल व्हेन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर गिवन एज फॉलोज। इट मींस आपको ऐसे कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए हैं तो आपको ट्रायंगल जो है उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है। अंडरस्टूड? बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस सम, complete this formula as well as this figure also, right? If you are not able to remember, then write down this also, the modulus of meaning, the meaning of modulus. Modulus का meaning क्या होता है, right? वो भी आप अपनी book में लिख डालो. If you are not able to remember, draw figure also, write down this everything, okay? And then we are going to start this example 11. Okay, so now let us start our example 11. What is given here? Find the area of triangle when these are the coordinates of it. So, for our simplicity and for understanding purpose, let us draw a small triangle and name the coordinates as A, B and C. Because here the names are not given, so we can take any name. Okay, A will be 1 comma minus 1, B will be minus 4 comma 6 and C will be minus 3 minus 5. Sorry for that. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay. Now let us do the solution of example 11. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half inside modulus x1 bracket y2 minus y3, right? Formula will not be completed there, so let us write downside see half modulus x1 inside bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus of आया समझ में x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 bracket over modulus over. Let us put down the values and we will get our answer. Very simple. x1, what is the value of x1? 1. y2 minus y3, y2 is 6, y3 itself minus 5. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 6 minus y2 is 6. Minus is the sign of formula, but y3 itself is minus 5. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? minus 5. Understood? Okay. Now x2. What is the value of x2? minus 4. So minus 4. y3 minus y1. Okay, y3 itself minus 5. Minus is the sign of formula. y1 is minus 1. So यहाँ पे आ गया minus 1. Understood? Okay, next plus x3. Okay, x3, what is the value of x3? यहाँ पे space नहीं है. But when you are writing in notebook, you should write in the single line only. Okay, x3. What is the value of x3? Minus 3. So instead of x3, I am writing minus 3. Bracket. y1 minus y2. What is your y1? Minus 1. Minus is the sign of formula, and y2 itself is 6. So we are going to write 6 only. Let us solve this. You have to take very care, right? बहुत आपको जो है वो ध्यान रखना है when you are solving this minus sign. Okay, 1 6 minus minus plus 5 plus minus minus 4. Understood? Plus minus minus 4 minus 5 minus minus plus 1 bracket over plus minus minus 3. Okay, minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus minus addition, bigger number sign, and 7 is the answer of addition. Understood? Again one more time. See here, 1 by 2 modulus 1 6 minus minus plus 5 bracket over plus minus minus 4 minus 5 minus minus plus 1 bracket over plus minus minus 3 multiply with this minus 1 minus 6. It means minus minus addition. 6 plus 1 7, bigger digit sign. So यहाँ पे minus की sign आएगी. Okay. Now let us solve this. 1 by 2. 1 6 plus 5, it will be 11 minus 4 minus 5 plus 6, that is minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1. So minus plus subtraction, 5 minus 1 4, bigger digit sign. Minus 3 multiply with minus 7, minus minus plus 3 7s are 21. Very simple it is, right? सिर्फ आपको वैल्यू पुट करनी है, यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं करना है. The easiest topic of this chapter. 1 into 11, that will be 11. Minus 4 into minus 4, minus minus plus 4 4s are 16. Again this at last plus 21. Understood? 1 into 11, 11 minus 4 into minus 4, minus minus plus 4 4s are 16. Plus 21 will stay as it is. Okay, 1 by 2 inside modulus 11 plus 16, that will be 27, right? 27 plus will be 48. So half into inside modulus 48. Now we had understood before some time only that if the value inside the modulus is positive and if it comes outside then it will remain positive only, right? So 1 by 2. Now at last we will do here round bracket because we cannot cancel if the modulus is there. Okay, so let us get this value outside the modulus. As it is positive, it will remain positive only. Now cancellation is possible. 2 24s are, and at last we can say that the area of triangle ABC is 24 square units. Understood? And a simple sum, very easy. Just you have to remember the formula and you have to put down the values into the formula and be careful when so much minus signs are there, right? यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे minus signs हैं. And we have to be simply careful, nothing else. Okay? So write down this example 11 in your farewell, and then afterwards we are going to do this example 12. Okay. Okay, so now let us start the example 12. Now here it is not necessary to draw the figure every time. Find the area of triangle when the coordinates of A, B and C are given like this. Okay, so let us write the coordinates only, nothing else over, then afterwards formula. No need to draw figure. Here ax1 y1 is equals to 5, 2. Right? Okay. bx2 y2 4, 7. cx3 y3, that is 7, -4. Understood? Okay, so now let us put down the values into the formula. So therefore area of triangle ABC half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, let us put down the values here. Half x1 is 5, y2 minus y3, y2 is 7, minus is the sign of formula, but y3 itself is -4. y3 itself जो है वो ही खुद ही -4 है. So we are going to write like this. Okay. Plus x2. x2 is 4. y3 minus y1. y3 is -4 minus y1. y1 क्या है 2. Right? Okay. Plus x3. x3 की वैल्यू क्या है 7. y1 minus y2. 2 minus 7. Bracket over and modulus also over. Let us solve this. 1 by 2, 5 into 7 minus plus 4 plus 4 into -4 -2 minus addition 4 plus 2 6 bigger digit sign plus 7 into 2 minus 7 plus minus subtraction 7 minus 2 5 bigger digit sign. Okay, Let us solve this. 1 by 2 5 into 7 plus 4 11 plus minus 4 6 are 24 plus minus 7 5 are 35. Okay. Now let us solve this again. Half multiplied by modulus. Inside modulus 11 5s are 55 minus 24 minus 35. Okay, let us solve this. First of all, 55 minus 24. 1 and 3. Okay, 31. इसका आंसर क्या है? 31 minus 35. Okay. So half modulus 31 minus 35. Right? The answer of 55 minus 24 is 31 and minus 35. So if you solve this, what you will get? Half 31 minus 35 plus minus subtraction, bigger number minus smaller number, that is 4. Bigger digit sign 35 is bigger and sign is minus, so यहाँ पे भी minus आ जाएगा. Right? Now, if the value inside the modulus is negative and once it come outside it will become positive, so half is multiplied with 4. If half is multiplied with 4, then here 2 2's are 4 and 2 1's are 2. So the final answer is 2, and so therefore we can write the area of triangle ABC is equals to 2 square units. Enough simple? Completed? So we had also completed our example 12 also. Complete this sum in your fair book, and then at last we will complete this example number 13 and you will get some homework and we will end our lecture here. Okay? Complete this fast. Okay, so now let us start the example 13 of our NCERT textbook. The question is, find the area of triangle when the coordinates are given as follows: P minus 1.5, 3, Q 6, minus 2, and R minus 3, 4. So therefore, here P x1 y1 is minus 1.5, 3, Q x2 y2 is 6, minus 2, R x3 y3 is minus 3, 4. Okay. So therefore, area of triangle PQR can be obtained by the formula half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Simple, right? 1 2 minus 3, 2 3 minus 1, 3 1 minus 2. Okay, let us put down the values here. Half x1 minus 1.5, so minus 1.5 multiplied with y2 minus y3. y2 itself minus 2, minus is the sign of formula, y3 is 4, plus x2 is 6, y3 minus y1, y3 is 4, minus y1 is 3, plus x3 is itself minus 3, y1 minus y2, y1 is 3, Minus is the sign of formula. y2 itself is minus 2. Understood? So let us solve this. Half modulus minus 1.5 as it is. Minus to minus 4. Minus to minus 4 is minus 6 plus 6. 4 minus 3. Now what will be the answer of 4 minus 3? It will be 1 plus minus minus 3. Okay. Now here if you solve this, then it will be 3 plus 2 minus minus plus 2. Right? Modulus over. Understood? Let us solve this. 1 by 2 as it is. Minus 1.5 into minus 6. First of all, the multiplication of minus and minus, it will be plus. Okay. So minus 1.5 into 6, it means 1.56 are 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9.0, it means plus 9. Plus 6 1s are 6 minus 3 into 5. Bracket over. Modulus also over. Okay. 1 by 2. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Minus 3 5s are 15. Okay. 15 minus 15. Obviously 15 minus 15 का आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0. Now if 0 is there inside modulus, if it come outside, then also it will remain 0 only. Okay. So 1 by 2 multiply with 0. 1 by 2 multiply with 0. It will be 0 only. Anything multiply with 0, it will remain 0 only. So the answer is 0 square units. Right? If the area of any triangle is 0, how it is possible? Because the triangle is a closed figure. Triangle जो है वो closed figure है, और it is next to impossible that area of any triangle will come 0. ऐसा possible ही नहीं है कि कोई भी triangle का area जो है वो 0 आएगा. Why? Because if you are enclosing a figure, it means some space is enclosed here. यहाँ पे कुछ तो space है जो आई है इसके अंदर. Right? Now you cannot say that it is a 0. So here we are going to write, therefore, if area of any triangle is 0, then it means coordinates does not form triangle only. Whenever the answer of area of any triangle is 0, उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें दिए हैं क्वेश्चन में वो कभी भी ट्राइंगल नहीं बनाएंगे. And if the area of triangle is 0, then the coordinates are linear. If area of any triangle is 0, it means the coordinates does not form triangle only. Instead of that, coordinates are linear. Linear, it means all the 3 points lie on the same line. Understood? One more time. यहाँ पे हमने सॉल्व किया, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का आंसर क्या आया? 0. नाउ थिंक दैट, ऐसा आप सोचो कि आप ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर रहे हो. ट्रायंगल इज ए क्लोज्ड फिगर, एक क्लोज्ड फिगर आपने बना दी तो उसके अंदर कुछ स्पेस होगी, राइट? वो आप ये जो है वो कहीं पर भी रखोगे तो आप स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करेगा, राइट? अब आप बोल रहे हो कि ट्रायंगल बनाते हो एंड देन आल्सो इट्स एरिया इज 0, देन हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, राइट? ऐसा तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज 0. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इफ द एरिया ऑफ एनी ट्रायंगल इज 0, व्हेनेवर यू गेट like this answer, then you have to understand that the coordinates does not form the triangle only. Coordinates है, वो बात सही है. We cannot say that the coordinates does not exist. Coordinates है, but वो triangle नहीं बनाते. तो अब क्वेश्चन ये हुआ कि coordinates है, triangle नहीं बनाते, तो फिर क्या बनाते हैं? Then the answer for that question is coordinates are linear. Triangle नहीं बनाते. Instead of that, the coordinates are linear. It means, remember this condition very carefully, because based on this condition, the next example is there for you. Example 14, which we are going to do in the next lecture. But remember this condition, that whenever the area of triangle is 0, it means coordinates are linear. Linear means all the 3 points lie in a straight line, right? Understood? Now, based on these 3 examples, 11, 12 and 13, 2 questions are there in homework for you that are from exercise 7.3. Question number 1, and in question number 1 there are 2 sub questions, 1 and 2. So these 2 sums you have to do in homework after completing the 13th example in your fair book. Okay? Understood? Hope so you had understood today's lecture. In the next lecture we will continue with the example number 14, and based on that example number 14, the sums of exercise. Okay? Thank you.